While other reduced extravagance hybrids adopt a lively strategy, the 2024 Lexus RX goes for a delicate riding, loosened-up disposition. Indeed, even the RX500h F game execution is neither energetic nor performant. Try not to misunderstand us, it gets up and goes pretty well, racing to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds at our test track. However, it neglects to motivate lively driving similarly opponents, for example, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and the Porsche Macan do, on the off chance that you're good with that. The RX conveys a smooth ride and upscale lodge. A module RX450h Plus model joins the RX setup for 2024. Complete with a battery enormous enough for up to 35 miles of electric-just driving. The RX450h Plus is offered exclusively in stacked extravagance trim, and fills in as the Reach finishing off model with a cost of more than $70,000. The module half and half powertrain is acquired from the more modest NX450h Plus and utilizes a 4-chamber motor and 3 electric engines to make 300 for strength. All-wheel drive is standard. The 2024 RX is presented with no less than 4 unique powertrains, beginning with the base RX350 model, which is fueled by a 275 HP turbocharged to 0.5-liter 4-chamber motor. That model accompanies an 8-speed programmed transmission and front-wheel drive as standard. However, all-wheel drive is a choice. The half-breed RX350h matches electric engines with a 2.4-liter 4-chamber motor to make 246 strength, and accompanies a persistently factor-programmed transmission CVT and all-wheel drive. At our test track, the RX500h F game execution hit 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds. The RX450h Plus module crossbreed wasn't quite so fast as the RX500h, requiring 6.0 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour in our grasp.